Iwona. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. What was the problem that you came with to see me?
Self-confidence.
hmm And what was that problem costing you in your life?
It was creating some anxiety and fear about the future, being afraid of being visible online with my business, and creating problem where I didn't necessarily need to have some with the way I interact with people as well, friends or boyfriend in relationship. So it was affecting a lot of area of my life.
So what happened during the session?
Well, we did, I don't know, an hour and a half, 2 hour session. And then I realized where all of this was coming from and what I could do to resolve this problem and like create a shift and feel different in my life. I realized, all of that, where it was coming from and why I was doing that for so many years. There was a good awareness.
So how many years have you been doing this to yourself?
40 years. That, trying not to do it, but just the inner talk and criticizing myself all my life, and not really. I knew I was doing that, but I kind of couldn't help it to always criticize things in my life, and then wondering why I'm not 100% confident. But
So what's the problem now?
Now, no problem. I feel way better. I feel better. I kind of know that I can, whatever happened in my life or life throws at me, I know I have the tools inside of me to not let it affect me as much as it was before. Just because I know what I'm supposed to do now and how to do it, and I wasn't allowing it. And I understand why with you. So I don't feel like I have a problem anymore.
So what if it comes back?
I don't think it's gonna come back. It's not gonna come back because I know why I had it and what I have to do not to have that anymore. So once you have the knowledge and the awareness on the spotlight on the thing that was wrong inside of you, then no, I don't have a problem anymore.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. I'm sure.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.